Alright guys, we're going to do a cold start with the remote. That's the cold start. Let's prove it to you guys by going into the cab. And there's the mileage. Let's put the key in. And as you can see, there's the engine cold. No warning lights, no nothing coming up. Everything's good on the truck, mechanically tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna hit the highway. I'm gonna show you how she drives. Here it is at nighttime, all lit up. Got to be spun around to play down. Alright guys, here's a walk around the 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. I wish the weather would cooperate with me, but the last couple days it's been raining down here. I had it detailed a couple days ago, and due to the rain, you may see some water spots, or not. So I've owned this truck since October of 2022, if I'm not mistaken. I got it with 29,000 miles, 29 and change, and right now it's currently at 46 and change. It has a lot of modifications done to it. It's definitely not a stock truck. As you can see, it's got fuel 22-inch rims all the way around, brand new Toyo Open Country MTs, rock lights, amber lights there on the kick panels, more rock lights, custom LED tail lights, LED. I'm not going to say custom, I'm going to say aftermarket taillights. Aftermarket LEDs for the tags. Onboard air right there. To fill up the airbags is right there, the Schrader valve. It's got a aftermarket third brake light up there. Built in from the factory fifth wheel setup or gooseneck. Built-in, Bedliner from the factory as well. It's got that little spoiler aftermarket, gives it a nice touch. It's got the Airlift Company Load Lifter 7500, which are the biggest and baddest airbags you can basically put on this truck. It's got a dual compressor setup with a tank for onboard air and train horns, conductor special train horns. Here's a quick look of the undercarriage. There's not one dent on the body. So at nighttime, this thing really lights up. So this is retrofitted on there. It's the GMC emblem lit up at night. It's got the light bar down below. Fog lights are upgraded. Shorty antenna. Ceramic tints all the way around. My little son's actually inside the cab right now. You can barely see him. Like I said before, no dents. There are a couple little scratches. Let me point them out to you. Light scratches that could probably be buffed out. Nothing crazy. This one is a little deep here. I'm not sure if that'll buff out. There's another one over here. Like I said, it was raining, so it got a little dirty, but it was detailed a couple days ago. And then we have this scratch here, which I'm pretty sure could be buffed out. Never really had a chance to buff it out. And this one over here. But other than that, she's pretty intact. She runs good. No issues whatsoever. It's got the Banks pedal monster, I believe it's called. Let me pop the hood for you guys. It's got the Banks ram air intake. And the pedal monster, which makes it a little quicker, gives you better pedal response. It does have the switch pros mounted right there, where all your auxiliary go, all your lights and stuff go to that. Makes it for a nice clean install. And I purposely didn't clean the engine bay, because I know some people, when they buy a car and they see a brand new squeaky clean engine bay, they start thinking there's some sort of leaks or something wrong with it or something. So I left it dirty. As y'all can see, there's no leaks or anything. Truck runs really good. It only has 46,000 miles. Let's close this up. It does have a lift kit, a factory installed lift, and a bunch of add-ons. You got to look at the description. There's a bunch of stuff on there that I may be forgetting right now. I have a lot of money invested into this truck, way over $100,000. And here's your chance to get a good truck for a fraction of what I paid for it.